Hey, sixth graders, the purpose of this video is to show you and talk to you about the Chapter 16 World War II choice activity. There's really two different things you need to do. Number one, you're going to download a note-taking guide. That's where you're going to document all your thoughts. And number two, the choice board is what you're going to use as your resource to find your different facts and information. So first, we're going to start with this document here that you're downloading to Notability. It's pretty basic. There's 5 of the same exact form because you're going to choose 5 different topics. So when you're looking at World War II topics, you will document the name of the topic right here. What did you learn about this topic? Now notice there isn't a whole lot of space, so you can make just little bullet points about different things you learned about the topic. Based on what you learned, what surprised you? Kind of think of like the top 3, like rank them 1, 2, 3 surprises about this topic. What are 3 of your most interesting facts? And then throw an image over here that supports your topic. And then what's a trivia question? And have the answer down here as well. Then once you're done with one of them, you're going to move on and find a second, third, fourth, and fifth. Now, what you're going to use to find information and find the actual topics you want to explore is this choice board. So you're going to tap on this link here, and it'll bring you to this choice board. So it says, have fun, pick topics that interest you. Complete 3 or more of the squares, and I'm going to ask that we do 5. Fill out the World War II topic form on 5 or, well, just 5 topics. And we'll have this due. Don't worry about this due date. That one's not really accurate at this moment. But you'll notice here that all these different topics are highlighted with a different color. So this is the title of the topic. And then there's different resources for you to look at. So maybe let's go down here to World War II overview. So there's a visual timeline. So let's say, oh, that one's kind of interesting to me. So I'm going to click on it. And if it brings you here, it'll just redirect by clicking on this other document. So this is more of an interactive timeline that can bring you and look at different pictures. And you can look down here at the years of many, many, many different concepts that are going on during World War II. We could spend a whole year just studying why World War II happened, what were the specific strategies, things like that we could cover, but we only have a couple weeks. So that is one type of resource you could use when you're looking here. There's also some Brain Pop videos. There's some Khan Academy when we're looking at possibly if Japanese internment camps is something you're interested in. That'll bring you to some Khan Academy videos if this ever works, but I think you get the point here. Yeah, so here it is. Kind of gives you an overview, the executive order as to why it took place, some pictures, different maps of where those internment camps were, and then within this there might be some videos as well. But go around, find 5 that are most interesting to you, and then use these resources to explore and fill out the guide, your note-taking guide, along with when you're learning. Don't worry about turning it in right now. We'll talk more about that in class. If you have any questions at all, please shoot me an email, or you can come ask during class or my time. All right, enjoy exploring the topics of World War II. Have a great day and stay focused.